Today we're going to be talking about lavender essential oil and its benefits. A couple of ways to use lavender to help with stress is by putting it in a diffuser or in a glass spray bottle with distilled water. Just a couple drops and shake, and spray it on your pillow, mist it on your hands, and inhale, which will help reduce anxiety and also help you sleep. It's also great for skincare, helping with acne, irritated skin such as eczema. So you can just use that same spray bottle and mist your face after cleansing it. Always be sure to shake the bottle before applying and close your eyes. Also great for pain relief. So if you mix a couple drops of lavender with peppermint, I personally suffer with nerve damage, so I do a combination of lavender and peppermint oil in my bath every night, and I also mix it in my lotion and apply where it hurts. I hope these tips can be helpful to you, and I hope that you subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Stay tuned for more holistic care coming your way. Listed below are links to essential oils I would recommend using, along with a diffuser and what type of glass bottles you can use to make your lavender mist. Stay natural, stay beautiful, be you.